Hello and welcome to yet another edition of Positive News Stories. The month of October had five major positives: a 7-year-old boy spreading positive energy, Australian firefighters doing their positive bit for charity, a heroic act by an athlete, the first ever green shopping aisle, and a country eradicating a disease that was plaguing them for more than half a century. So, here are the top 5 positive news stories of October 2020. Before we begin, please show us some love by liking our video, subscribing to our channel and hitting the bell icon to receive notifications for upcoming positive listicle videos. Number 5. Australian firefighters pose with adorable rescue animals to raise money for animals injured in wildfires. Turning up the heat for 2021, 6 new calendars depict brave and incredibly handsome Australian firefighters posing with some of the most adorable animals their country has to offer. What may be the world's most popular calendar, now in its 28th year, is back, and this year the hunky heroes have been photographed with heart-melting dogs, cats, koala bears, and even kangaroos. Setting out to brighten the doom and gloom of the last 8 months, all proceeds will be donated to the native animal charities that are vital to supporting local wildlife. This is an especially important cause given Australia's catastrophic wildfires in 2019 and early 2020, which resulted in the estimated loss of 1 billion animals from the diverse native wildlife. Funds raised will allow the organization to help less fortunate animals find a new home through rescue organizations like Safe Haven Animal Rescue and All Breeds Canine Rescue. So as you hang your 2021 calendars on your wall, it's a great reminder that next year is going to be a fresh start for everyone. You can purchase your copy of the calendar at australianfirefighterscalendar.com. Number 4. First ever green shopping aisle caters to environmental enthusiasts who want home DIY projects. Environmentally minded DIY enthusiasts can now enjoy the first ever green shopping aisle, complete with a real grass walkway and a canopy infused with foliage and butterflies. The green aisle is quite literally festooned with evergreen climbers and vegetation to help eco-conscious shoppers find the section of the hardware store that will make their home more sustainable. The green aisle was launched on 6th October at one of Britain's major hardware chains, Homebase, at 5 of their stores with more stores to follow. In partnership with Smart Energy GB, the aisle showcases eco-friendly and energy-efficient home improvement products, as well as information on how to get a smart meter installed, all in one place. The green aisle was created after research found 74% of Brits are keen to make their home greener, but half have no idea where to start. The green aisle helps make this process even more easier for people by identifying which products are more environmentally friendly and likewise understand the positive impact that they can have. So whether you're looking for a water-saving shower faucet, eco-friendly paint, or a smart meter, if you're in Britain, you now know the green aisle to go to. Number 3. 7-year-old boy who was bullied opens a huge food pantry, making his life all about positive energy. If living well is the best revenge, then Kavina Bell may just be having the best life ever. After facing bullying at school, rather than internalizing the pain or trying to get even, the spirited 7-year-old decided to channel his energy into something positive instead. After I was bullied and I felt a darkness inside of me, I knew I didn't want other kids to feel the same way I felt, Bell explained. So he asked his mom if she could help him spread love and positivity. And the more he gave back to his community, the more he wanted to keep doing it. Initially funded by his own savings, Bell started out by assembling and distributing care packages filled with food and toiletries for his elderly neighbors. Over time, the popular project snowballed. With contributions pouring in, he and his mom launched a food pantry staged in a space donated by a local warehouse. With a steady stream of in-person donations, as well as contributions from his GoFundMe and Amazon wishlist pages, Bell and his mom have managed to amass enough essential supplies to fill a 53-foot semi-truck twice. In addition to his humanitarian aid work, Bell has also launched his own non-profit, Cool and Dope, an acronym that stands for Considering Others' Obstacles in Life and Dish Out Positive Energy. The organization's mission is to combat bullying and spread positivity through acts of kindness. Bell says he hopes to see bullying totally eradicated by his 18th birthday, 10 years from now. While 2030 may be a decade away, with Bell's pluck and persistence, he just might reach his goal and continue to inspire others and living his best life in the process. Number 2. Greek athlete carries disabled woman up Mount Olympus, fulfilling her lifelong dream. In a singularly uplifting modern-day version of Atlas Come to Life, one courageous athlete recently climbed Mount Olympus, home to the ancient gods, carrying a disabled comrade to the summit with him to fulfill her lifelong dream. Long-distance runner Mariusz Giannakou has a long track record of taking on challenges. He trekked 168 miles across the Al Marmoum Desert, and he also took first place in a frigid 93-mile cross-country race in Antarctica. Prior to his latest endeavor, he had already successfully taken in the view from atop Mount Olympus's highest peak 50 times. When Giaconou met and befriended 22-year-old biology student Eleftheria Tossiou and learnt of her dream to experience the summit herself, it seemed only natural that he was more than ready to rise to the occasion. For him, all international races, the medals and the distinctions so far meant little compared to that goal. With Tossiou securely harnessed in a specially modified backpack, Giaconou, along with an 8-member support team, started the grueling ascent of Olympus's tallest peak, Mount Mystikas. After more than 10 hours of climbing, the triumphant pair reached the 2,918-meter summit. There is nothing more real than the dream, an ecstatic Giaconou posted to his Instagram. It's heartening to know that while we generally think of heroes as the stuff of myth and legend, there are actually some shining examples like Mariusz Giaconou who exist in real life as well. Number 1. Myanmar eradicates disease that caused blindness in 4% of its people. Though trachoma is preventable, blindness from trachoma is irreversible and it continues to be one of the leading causes of blindness globally, affecting 1.9 million people around the world. In good news from Myanmar, the World Health Organization has validated that the disease has been eliminated from the country. This is extra impressive because in 2005, trachoma was responsible for 4% of all cases of blindness there. How did this elimination get off the ground? In 1964, the Ministry of Health and Sports in Myanmar had initiated a trachoma control project with support from WHO and UNICEF. The community-based interventions to eliminate the disease consisted of surgical treatment, topical antibiotic treatment, and water sanitation and hygiene, and health education promoting behavior change to decrease transmission. The program further expanded to include accessible interventions in rural areas. Since 2018, the prevalence of trachoma has gone down to a mere 0.008% of blindness within the population, meaning trachoma is no longer a public health problem. Multiply the positivity by sharing these sweet stories with your friends on social media. Like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notifications for upcoming positive listicle videos.